Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set what businesses can see about you on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the More button down below in the right side corner and tap on Settings. After that, click on Privacy Settings. Now you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that you should scroll down to the bottom until you can find this What Businesses Can See About Me section. Here you have three options that you can select: My Name and Yelp Profile, My Demographics including gender and age range, and Basic Information. So tap on the relevant one on the right side and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.